Imagine having 10 years of work experience and then deciding to upskill yourself. That's exactly what Karishma did. After working for years in COBOL and mainframe, she realized that industry was changing fast and wanted to transition into data engineering. But the biggest challenge wasn't learning new tools, it was figuring out where to start, what to focus upon, and how to stay consistent alongside a full time job. In this conversation, she shares how she approached that transition and eventually landed a data engineering role at Nagaro. So, come, let's get into it. So, Karishma, can we start with your introduction, please?
Sure, Raghav. So this is Karishma Pandey, and I am currently working as a data engineer at Nagaro Software. Basically, I am an IT professional with around 10 plus years of experience in IT industry. So when I joined Boss Coder, I had like around 9.5 years of experience.
Which was the thing that you felt like you were struggling with most? And why did you choose Boss Coder Academy for that?
Okay, so basically, technology that I was working on previously for all that 9 years
Yeah.
was a legacy technology. To be specific, I would say it was COBOL and COBOL and all technologies related to mainframe, which is a legacy technology as of today. So I wanted to upskill myself in a trending technology which is very much in demand in market as of today.
Yeah.
So, of course, it was very late in my career because it was 9 years
Yeah.
into a particular technology and then
Yeah.
transitioning altogether into a different skill set
Mm.
was a bit challenging, and it was a very big decision for me to
Yeah.
take up this. Also, I got to know about Boss Coder Academy from LinkedIn and from few of my friends.
Yeah.
So I thought, let's give it a chance.
I wanted to particularly ask you about what do you think of the instructors who are teaching here at Boss Coder Academy? So, what do you think of them?
Because even I am a working professional, so
Yeah.
I actually needed a guidance, like who is from the similar background,
Right.
who is working, who and who like can help you guide how
Correct.
to manage studies
Yeah.
in between your working hours. So yes, as the mentors were from similar background, it really helped me because they helped me how to manage my time along with my working hours, to practice the assignments, to go through the theory and
Yeah.
the hands-on, all the hands-on stuff. So they really helped me with it. And being from the same background, my mentor specifically, he gave me a design, for 15 days he designed a roadmap for me, like
Okay.
how should I transition myself initially, because all of a sudden I won't be able to give 3 hours 4 hours
Correct.
study
Yeah.
from day one. So he
Correct.
basically gave me a roadmap, to start from 1 hour from the first day, and then gradually increase the number of hours,
Yeah.
particularly on weekends.
Yeah. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate Boss Coder Academy's program for you?
Yes, I would definitely rate it as 10 because this program is really aligned with a student's needs. So,
Yeah.
wherein a student might be like facing difficulty as a data engineer, or he might be willing to upskill from
Okay.
one technology to another technology. So, it can be either of them. So, it really helps with both the cases. So, yes. So, that was Karishma's journey. And honestly, I think the biggest takeaway here is that it's never too late to transition in tech. Even after spending years in one domain, with the right roadmap, consistency, and practical guidance, you can still move into newer, high growth roles. So, if you're also aiming to upskill or transition in a similar way, then check out Boss Coder Academy. The link is in the description below. And for more such conversations, press like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.